Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So you have to just open the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, on the top here, if you want to add a story here, you can just click on the plus icon, which is on the top right side corner. And after that, just go to the story section. Here on the bottom left side corner, you will see the here. So basically here you can see you have to click on this, then just go to the photo section and you have to select your photos. So here I will select my photos. Okay, so for example, if I want to add multiple photos, I will just click and hold. After clicking and hold, you will get this kind of icon on the top right side corner of your photo. So you can select it, and after selecting a multiple photos in the sequence, bottom right side corner, you can see just click on the next. Here you will get these two options to add multiple photos, whether you can add this one which will change separately, and there is all the photos at once. So I will just click on this layout here. Okay, and here you can see it. I can just zoom out or zoom in, and after doing all the changes, just click on the bottom right side corner or just click on your story and it will turn into your story, right? And here you have to just click on yes. And this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.